Paul with InstaPrivy, and I'm excited for the opportunity to tell you about our product. It's a portable toilet kit in a backpack. The complete kit weighs just 7 pounds. The backpack is padded, comes with a toilet chair, privacy tent, 5 sets of waste bags. We even got a shovel for you, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, and this sets up super quick, super easy. You put the waste bag right across the top, interlocks with the lid, drop this absorbent pad in there, turns all the liquid into a gel. You got a privacy tent, pops out just like this, goes right over your head, and you are ready to go, literally. And then inside, you got a pocket for your toilet paper and hand sanitizer. If you're bored, you can read the instructions while you're sitting there. They're pretty great. You have 360 degrees visibility, so if you have friends like I do, that's kind of handy. You also get a little ventilation there. You can use this tent for changing clothes, also as a shower curtain. For a shower curtain, you don't want it on the ground. It's just going to splash up and get muddy. So hanging it up covers the important parts, and you're good to go. And then the chair is pretty nice too. You have plenty of room to do your business. I also have a shovel. You can dig a cat hole, set that right over the top, and it's smooth on the inside, makes it easy to clean in case stuff happens. So that's it. You can find us on InstaPrivy.com. Our retail price is $149. If you're coming to Moore Expo, we're going to make you a deal.
All right, thank you very much, man.